In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you bill clients the same amount on a regular schedule, like monthly subscriptions, retainers, or maintenance fees, recurring invoices save time and reduce errors. Make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company with permission to create invoices and that your customers and products or services are set up. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps company settings and key tools. From the menu, choose Recurring Transactions. This page is your command center for templates, everything from bills to invoices, showing their status, next run date, and type. Next, click the New button. QuickBooks will ask what you want to create. Choose Invoice. This opens a template designed to automatically create invoices on your schedule. At the top, pick the template type. Use Scheduled if you want QuickBooks to create invoices automatically on a set cadence and optionally send them for you. Choose Reminder if you want QuickBooks to create a task so you can review before sending. Select Unscheduled if you just want a reusable invoice you'll create on demand without a schedule. Give the template a clear name so you can recognize it later, like Monthly Consulting Client A. Select the customer. Set the interval, such as every 1 month, and choose the start date. If the billing should stop at a certain point, add an end date. Otherwise, leave it blank to keep it ongoing. If you'd like the invoice created a few days before the billing date, enter the number of days in advance. If you want QuickBooks to email it automatically, turn on the option to send emails. Leave it off if you prefer to review first. Fill in the invoice details just like a normal invoice. Choose your product or service, quantity, rate, and tax. If amounts change each period, consider using a reminder template so you can adjust before sending. Add a friendly message to the customer and check payment options if you accept online payments so clients can pay directly from the invoice. Review terms, location, or class if you track them, and confirm everything looks right. When you're done, click Save. You'll return to the Recurring Transactions list where you'll see your template marked active with its next run date. You can open it anytime to edit, duplicate, pause, or delete it. And that's it. Your recurring invoice is set and ready to work for you.